So have you ever rocked out to your favorite song in the car and thought, well, now I'm depressed right after? Probably not. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to feel better while singing and improving your technique. So I know a lot of people suffer from anxiety and depression, and I think about like 90% of my own students suffer from anxiety. And we talk about this during our lesson, and they always feel better after the lessons after they sing. And I'm going to talk about 3 exercises that will help you feeling better after this video. So make sure you don't skip ahead, that you actually do all these exercises. And we're going to rate how you feel now, like from 1 to 10, whether you're feeling anxious or sad or depressed, whatever you're feeling, rate it from 1 to 10 and do all the exercises I'm going to show you. And at the end, rate it again and see if you do feel better. So for the first exercise I'm going to show you is a warm-up on a Z. So it'll sound like this. And what this is good for is when you phonate through a Z, you're allowing your air to distribute itself evenly. So it helps with breath control. So if you are singing a song and you're running out of breath, try this exercise, sing that phrase on a Z, and you'll see that you can carry that phrase a lot longer. And it also activates your core. So the breath support happens in your core, right? And it also activates the solar plexus. That's where our personal power lies. So we are working on our breath control. We're working on our solar plexus for more better empowerment of ourselves. So let's just try this exercise on a Z. Ready? And awesome. So this is the star pose breathing exercise. What you're going to do is make sure that your shoulders are back. So round your shoulders and down, and make sure your spine is straight, that your back is straight, that you're not slouching, and tuck in your pelvis just a little bit. So what we're going to do is crisscross your arms, and we're going to inhale in 3, and we're going to put your arms up like this. So your legs are a little more than shoulder width apart. So you're like a starfish, right? And open up your chest. And we're gonna hold here for 1, 2, 3. And exhale through your teeth. And recover. 2, through. Inhale. 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. Out through your teeth. Relax. 2, 3. So when you're inhaling, make sure you're inhaling through your nose and your mouth with an open ah, like you're at the beginning of a yawn. So we're going to inhale for 3, hold for 3, out for 3, recover for 3. So we're going to do that 3 times. Okay? So make sure your posture is good. Ready? Crisscross your arms. Ready? And breathe in. 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, out, relax, 2, 3, in, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, out, relax, 2, 3, in, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, out, relax, 2, 3. And make sure that when you are breathing that the breath is slow, that your stomach is expanding, and that your chest and your shoulders remain still. So let's just practice breathing without the arms. So right through your nose and your mouth, like the beginning of a yawn. Ready? And breathe in. Make sure your belly is expanding, your chest and your shoulders remain still, and exhale. Again, breathe in and exhale. Now we're going to breathe in and hold it for 10 counts. Ready? And breathe in. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. We're going to do that one more time. Ready? And breathe in and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now we're going to do an exercise, a vocal exercise that you're going to use your whole body for. So when people, sing the high notes, they try to like reach for it. They push the sound up. But in this exercise, I'm going to show you how to use your core so that it just kind of goes into the slot that it's supposed to go into, so that it's the right placement rather than you muscling it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a outlining of a triad. Yeah, ha, 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 ha. But on the top note, what we're going to do is we're going to squat. And if you don't know how to do a squat, make sure when you go down that you're not bowing, that you're going down straight. So you stick your butt out and you go down this way rather than this way. Does that make sense? So let's try, let's just try the squat. Okay, stick your butt out and go down straight. Okay, if you got that, now we're going to use your arms. As you go down, you're gonna swing your arms around like this. So on the highest note, that's what you're gonna do this, and you're gonna go down on squat. So, ya, ha, 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 ha. What that does is it engages your core once again. When you swing your arms, when you move your arms, and when you squat, it engages your solar plexus, it engages your breathing mechanism, and your high notes will feel easier. So let's do this exercise together. Ready? And ya, ha, 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 ha. 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 So that is the extent of our 3 exercises to help you feel better. See if you can rate. How do you feel? Like if you were maybe a 4 on sad, like feeling sad or feeling anxious or depressed, maybe it's down to 3 or 2 or maybe even lower. So see if you feel better, and if you do, leave a comment below. And whenever you're feeling down, or if you want to just work on some vocals technique, come back to this and do these exercises again. Just don't skip them, just do all 3 of them. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.